Hello, and thank you for joining us. In this episode of the BPCS Use Case Series, we're going to be doing a Panorama overview. It's about searching, reviewing, tagging, annotating, reporting, signing, and generative AI when it comes to content. Now, you're probably wondering what challenges we're going to be talking about in this video, so let's get right to it. So the business challenges we're dealing with are locating the right document. It's easily tagging those documents because we all know to be able to find them, it's got to be easy to tag those documents to enable us to be able to find them. And of course, reporting on documents. If these are business challenges you face, well, let's see how we're doing that with Panorama. Here we are in Panorama, and of course our objective is to search for documents or folders. We do that by entering search criteria. Now to get to our search criteria, we select a search type. I click here, you'll see a bunch of search types. The search types you see will depend on your group membership. I'll select this one right here. By selecting the search type, metadata appears. And here's where I can add criteria for my search. And of course, your search types will be built on your solution. So I'm just going to put a submission date here. Let's say anything submitted between January 1st and the 29th. And I'll hit search. And up pops my result list. So from here, I can then act on these documents. Now, I can go to a particular document, go to the action menu, and by doing so, I can generate an abstract document using generative AI. I can send this document out for box sign, or I can profile the document. And what we mean by profile is we can go off and say, okay, here's my document. I can annotate it. As you can see, this one was already annotated. I can update additional metadata as well. So I can change, say, a priority level to a 1. You'll notice all of a sudden these two buttons become active. I can simply hit save to save the file and go back to my result list, or I can hit save and next. What'll happen is it'll save what I've done here and immediately show me the next document. So you can see it's very easy to flip through all of the documents in your result list. Now, coming back to our result list, you'll notice a little checkbox here because that's the document we just updated. Now, if I needed a list of documents to take this result list, I want to share this result list with people, I can do that by exporting the list to Excel. I can even send them a link to this particular result list as well by clicking this link piece right here. All right. Now, let's say in this result list, there is a piece of metadata I need to update. Say I want to update the document status, all right? I can go through and profile each one of the documents individually through that profiler option we showed you, or I can hit update bulk metadata right here. This will show me all of the metadata fields available for the documents in this result list. I can enter a value in any one of these, hit update, and it will update all of these documents with that new value. So again, updating metadata can be very simple as well. Now, I'm also able to turn on and report on these documents. So I've got my result list here. I'm going to click down here and choose Group By. Now, when I hit Group By, I can say, you know what? Let me take a look at everything by status. So I choose Process Status, and I choose Create Report. And I'm presented with two pieces. A table right here that I can download to Excel that tells me exactly how many of each of the process statuses there are, and I've got a pie chart right here. And this, of course, is a live pie chart. What I mean by that is if I click on, say, the 11 right here, it'll immediately show me all of the documents that make up that slice. So you can see it's pretty easy to go off and search for your documents. You can also report on those documents, update metadata in bulk. And of course, creating these reports is very simple. These search types can be created using our report type maintenance screen. There's a whole other video on that. Take a look at what it means to create these report types, the fields, and all the other pieces. Very, very simple, no code, all through an administration screen. And if you're into the world of ArcGIS maps, you've got another video you can take a look at that shows you how to link your documents to your maps. So you can see, Panorama is a very robust solution that allows you to accomplish a lot of objectives with your content. So what business challenges did we face? Well, we were able to easily locate the right document. We were easily able to tag those documents to be able to find them. And of course, reporting on documents, quite simple. So what are your next steps? Well, it's time to reach out to MicroStrategies so we can help you like we help our other clients.